Hello everyone, this is China K-Size. Today, I will introduce an online pH sensor, the KW-700B. pH is a key indicator for measuring the acidity or alkalinity of a solution, and directly reflects the pH level of water. The KWS-700B is made with a patented pH measurement electrode, and has a built-in temperature sensor for automatic temperature compensation. It uses an RS-485 interface and supports the Modbus RTU protocol, making it easy to connect to PLCs, industrial control computers, 4GDTUs, and other devices. This sensor is suitable for pH monitoring in applications such as wastewater treatment, industrial water, drinking water and tap water, surface water, and aquaculture. Below is the product specification table for your reference. Installation and wiring. First is the installation section. I am holding the multi-parameter version of the pH sensor. The sensor needs to be installed approximately 30 centimeters below the lowest water level. During installation, special care should be taken to avoid bumping or impacting the probe. For models with an installation thread on the top, the thread specification is G3/4. Depending on site conditions, various installation methods, such as submersible installation and flow-through installation, can be selected. It should be noted that the sensor must not be installed horizontally, nor should it be installed with the electrode facing upward. Next is the wiring section. The top of the sensor is equipped with a 4-pin aviation connector. We use a 4-core shielded twisted pair cable. The wiring sequence is clear. The red wire connects to the 12 to 24 VDC power supply positive terminal. The black wire connects to 0 volts, GND. The green wire connects to 485A, and the white wire connects to 485B. Now, we will start the wiring. After completing the wiring, be sure to double-check the wiring sequence and power supply voltage before powering on. All wiring points must be properly waterproofed, and the user's cable should have good corrosion resistance to ensure long-term stable operation of the system. How to read sensor measurements via Modbus commands. After confirming that the sensor wiring sequence is correct and the installation is properly secured, now we can proceed to power on. Next, I will demonstrate how to use Modbus commands to read the sensor address and measurement values. The sensor's default data format is a baud rate of 9600 bps. 1 start bit, 8 data bits, no parity, and 1 stop bit. The default sensor address is 0x01, and the broadcast address is 0xFF. First, check hex display, hex send, and Modbus C/RC verification. If we do not know the sensor address, we can first access it using the broadcast address by sending the command FF0330000001. Open the serial port. Click Send. By checking the sensor's response frame, the address can be read from the high byte of the response data, confirming that the sensor address is 02. According to the product manual, the sensor's measurement value is stored in register 0x280 and occupies 2 registers, while the temperature value is stored in register 0x2400. Next, using the obtained sensor address 02. Send the command 020328000002 CRC. Click Send. And 020324000002 CRC to read the measurement value and temperature value respectively. Click Send. In the data returned by the sensor, 00006041 represents the pH data, and AFF28C41 represents the temperature data. These values are floating point numbers in DCBA format. Taking pH as an example, first rearrange DCBA into a BCD to obtain 416,000. Then, use a base conversion tool to perform the conversion. Enter 4160000. Click Convert. The pH measurement value is 14. Other measurement values are converted in the same way. For more information on other functions, data conversion algorithms, calibration procedures, and maintenance details, please refer to the product manual. After watching, if you need more product details or assistance with model selection, please contact us via our official email or phone number. We understand your needs.